So we got the Heliocol heating system. We're just using the power of the sun to heat up the pool. I've got the temperature set at 25 degrees. And as you can see here, I've got my pool blanket on, which keeps the heat in as well, and keeps the pool nice and warm and comfortable to swim in. And my kids have loved it. It's got a 25-year warranty, which we're really rapt about. It really sold me to get it installed. With Heliocol, we can enjoy a good swim this week, which has been great.